Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College Pune. Subject Information Technology, Standard 11th Science. Video created and presented by Mr. Nitin Vadgure. Today we are going to start part 10 of Chapter 1, Basic of Information Technology, Standard 11th Science. In our last part, we have discussed about internet. What is internet? What is the use of internet? Internet is an example of wide area network. It is used to transfer data from one place to the another place all over the world. Also, we have discussed about the history of internet. In this part, we are going to start our next topic, protocols. A protocol is a set of rules that governs the communications between computers on a network. In order to have two computers to talk to each other, they must be speaking the same language. So, if you want to communicate two computers with each other on the networks, they should follow the protocols. A protocol is a set of rules that governs the communications between the computers on a network. Let's see the examples of protocols. First, TCP/IP, Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol. As we discussed in our previous part, TCP/IP was developed in 1917 by the scientists Robert Kahn and Winton Cerf. TCP/IP breaks down the message into packets and sends them out into the network. So, when you send any information from the network, the TCP/IP divides it into the packets and then send it into the network. TCP/IP is the main protocol, and because of the TCP/IP it is possible to send data, or you can say transmit data between the multiple networks. Next protocol is DNS, Domain Name System. This protocol translates network addresses such as IP addresses into terms understood by humans such as domain names and vice versa. Each computer on the World Wide Web or on the internet having the unique address that is called as the IP address, and it is of 32 bits address divided into 4 parts, 8888. To remember the IP address is very difficult, so domain names are used. Domain names are used in various networking contents and application specific naming and addressing purpose. Domain names are divided into two categories: non-geographical domain and geographical domain. Non-geographical domains indicates the type of organization. Some examples are .com stands for commercial organization, .gov stands for government organization, .net stands for network organization, .edu stands for educational institutions. And the geographical domains indicates the code for individual countries, like IN stands for India, MY stands for Malaysia, UK stands for United Kingdom, GE stands for Germany. So, because of the IP addresses are very difficult to remember, domain names are used. Next type of protocol is DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. It can automatically assign internet addresses to computers and users. So this protocol is used to assign internet addresses to the computers and the users. Next is FTP, File Transfer Protocol, a protocol that is used to transfer and manipulate files on the internet. Next is HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, an internet-based protocol for sending and receiving web pages. So HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, is specially used for the internet for sending and receiving web pages. Next protocol is IMAP, Internet Message Access Protocol, a protocol for receiving emails messages from the server on the internet. It maintains a copy of all the emails on the server. We can sort, filter or store the emails. So IMAP is specially used for internet messages, and it is specially used for receiving email messages from the server on the internet. Next protocol is IRC, Internet Relay Chat, a protocol used for internet chat and other communications. It facilitates communication in the form of text. So for chatting purpose, Internet Relay Protocol is used. IRC facilitates communication in the form of text. Next important protocol is POP3, Post Office Protocol version 3, a protocol used for receiving email from remote mail servers. It does not maintain copy on the server. So POP3 is just same as IMAP, but the difference is that IMAP maintain a copy of all the emails on the server and POP3 does not maintain copy on the server. Both the protocols are used for receiving emails from remote mail servers, or you can say from the server on the internet. And last type of protocol is SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, a protocol for sending email messages to the server on the internet. So dear students, in this part we have discussed about all the protocols. What is protocol? Types of protocols. In our next part, we will discuss about IT enabled services and the meaning of IT enabled services. Thank you.